I mean, twin turbo rear wheel drive. Stock motor, stock block, so stock transmission, like 600 wheel, right? E85, 93. E85, so he's on. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Man, that means if we would have left with these guys, it would have been
dope.
Yeah,
or
these cars look good.
Been trying to dry off their tires.
Mm-hmm. Yo, it's the front end though.
Oh, that front end is...
Oh man. Oh, god damn. It's the color for me. It's the color for me. Let's keep it going. Nice yellow. Love it. Okay. 3 Series. Looking good, looking good. These TTRSs out here killing it. It's like a shimmery orange. Looks really good. I like that color. Hoses on all of them. Track cord. This could have been YouTube, but you know, you're a Geely guy.
Still like the track.
Of course you do. I do. Yo, bro, it was way more people last time. It was packed. They had parking there, in the middle, and on the side. Unless they didn't let spectators in. Because the spectators are supposed to come in after the drivers and stuff. But you know what's crazy? With the time change, that might have messed it up. If people didn't change the time, they're going to come here an hour late. Ooh. Don't really see much of these. Don't. This car should have got so much more love. You know what I'm saying? It should have got so much more love, but I still love it though. It's a nice color. Yeah. Yeah. Last V10. Last V10. I think these. Look at this. It just. You know the headlights are like the old Super headlights, but just smeared, right? They like smear the front of it, just so that it comes to that pokey part in the front. If you ever look at a regular Supra versus that one, legit. Yeah, exactly, right? The body lines, right? Right? These Supras are out here heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. So we gonna go? Yo, no racing Infinities. Y'all can't race each other. We gotta go after BMW. Yes, don't race each other. No Infinity versus Infinity shit. All right, please keep it like that. You got more top end than me, so. Okay. They tuned it down? Over and over and over, and I told you to go with the fast intentions one. You're like, I'll just go with another one. Let's not have that problem today. All right, guys. So our first matchup is going to be my C63 JB4 C63. I'm on 93 versus G37 Supercharged all-wheel drive. He's moment he said he doesn't have his tune all the way up because he's having a little bit of issues with his flex plate. He had to replace it recently, but you guys know I love my Infinities, and knowing that this car dynoed about 600 on stock VQ motor, it should be making more power than me. Also, we're very similar weight and we're only going to do a roll. Now, I know I could race anybody else in the C63, but I got to race my Infinity family, and I know that I'm one of the dudes that ain't going to be out here capping in line, so we'll race him first and it'll be super dope. The supercharged one all-wheel drive. He said that there was a little bit of belt slip because that's why he kept on revving the car, sort of, because usually it makes sense, the belt has to warm up, but he said it was a little bit of belt slip. But I got him maybe by, when I looked in the mirror, maybe a car and a half. So it was relatively good race. I should give him a rerun a little later, but I want to get the content in first, and then we'll see if there's enough time to do reruns. But right now I'm just trying to pick up the content. Alright guys, so guess what we have? We have a matchup here. Yes, we do. We have this C63 versus an M3. No, it's R32. Yeah, it has a VR6 in it. Thank you everybody for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost in Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.